Good morning, everybody. This is Doug Wolf, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Town Center in Virginia Beach, Virginia. This is our Southside Market Update. This is in reference to the south side of Hampton Roads. The four cities that we're going to be looking at this morning are Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Chesapeake. These four cities, we're going to be looking at their active listings as well as pending listings and sold listings. These numbers are numbers for you to use if you're looking to buy or sell real estate, so that you have an idea of where the trend line is, where we are in the market, buyer's market, seller's market, what have you, as well as for a seller to make an informed decision on pricing their house properly, and a buyer to know what they should be coming in at to make an offer. So we're going to get right to the numbers. It's a little bit after 10 o'clock this morning. I just pulled these numbers off of our multiple listing system. And currently active listings in cumulative, those four cities, 6,937 listings currently on the market. That number up from 6,806 a week ago today. As I said, we do this market analysis every Monday and then post it for you. So the number is certainly up. 6,937, certainly up from last week at this time. Those are made up of two distinct types of properties. We have detached and attached single-family homes versus townhomes and condos. The single-family homes, 4,884 currently on the market. That number up from 4,803. Price range stayed the same, 28,000 to 8.9 million. Is the price range for those four cities. So inventory increasing, pricing kind of staying the same. We're going to move over to townhomes and condos. 2,052 townhomes, condos on the market. That number up from 2002, so it's up exactly 50 units from last week at this time. And below 50,000, as high as 2 million. There was something as high as 3.2 million a week ago. Apparently that's come off the market. I don't know whether or not it's gone pending or if it expired and it's getting ready to be relisted. If you'd like more information on that, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to investigate it for you. So we're seeing inventory is increasing. One of the categories that we separate from the active listings, but they are active listings, is the REOs, short sales, and foreclosures. Currently that market, 1,308 of those on the market. That's up from 1,289. So certainly have growth there, not as much as the cumulative growth on the non-short sale foreclosures and REOs, but we still are seeing inventory increasing in that type of a market. Our pendings and solds for the month of April. Now this is interesting because the tax credit goes away the end of this month, so you have to have the property under contract by April 30th. Doesn't have to close until the end of June, but it needs to be under contract. So pending solds for the month of April, 560 properties have gone either pending or sold so far this month. That number's up from 254 a week ago. So in this past week, we've seen 246 properties pending last week at this time. Now it's 534 properties pending. I mean, that's huge. Those are big, big numbers. We've got to think that it's got to do with that tax credit expiring the end of the month. Solds went from 8 solds to 26 solds so far this month. So big numbers, huge jump in those numbers. Average sold price, $299,880 with 78 days on the market, and that number is down from $336,062 for average sold price. And days on market has certainly gone down as well, from 144 a week ago and 78 currently. More importantly, year-to-date sales, 1,829 properties have closed so far this year, 2010. That number is what went up from last week, which was 1,653. Obviously, we should be seeing that number increase every week. Sold dollar average for those 1,829 that sold, $233,253. Average days on market, 88. The days on market stayed the same from last week, 88, but the sold dollar price did come down a little bit. So we're at $233,253 right now. Last week at this time it was $234,769. So prices still coming down, inventory increasing. That is a buyer's market. So if you're a seller, it is all about price right now, pricing it properly. If you're a buyer, don't miss this opportunity. Interest rates at a historic low. It is certainly a buyer's market right now with the inventory where it is. If you'd like more information, it's Doug Wolf at bettercalldoug.com is my email. Bettercalldoug.com is the website, and you can certainly call me at 757-515-4728. Be interested to see what it looks like next week at this time. On Friday, we also do Virginia Beach City Report, so please stay tuned for that. Thank you so much. Make it a great day.